You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. You must wonder what going right. So channel look different. Yeah man. So we are go try do it, you know. Also me say a progress we are doing, you see it. So you are go see from time to time we try improve the channel to the best way possible. You see me? And this is one of the steps them where we are take to improve the channel. Remember me telling you say me did I do some reaction video, you know. Well, me I go do a reaction video right now. Well, it's not necessarily it's not necessarily a reaction video, but just a video when I want to share with my subscriber them. You see me? And make me know what you think about whether brother you have to say. So today I want to share a video with Dann. Yeah, I say him name? Hold on. Let me make sure, cause I don't want to pronounce the brother name wrong. You see me? Volan. Yes, so the youth name Dann. See me, they get it right. Dann the youth name, and I have some very interesting things to say. You see me? Big topic, I don't know. I want to share with you know. So, I will kick it off like this. You see it? I can see what him have to say. You see me?
Watch out now, check this. I have something where I really want to talk about, Zin. And this is something where me and the world need to discuss because me get fired from my job yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah man, I progress.
Get fired. They terminate my contract.
As I always say, I progress we are it. So
reason why? According to my manager. The 29, which is Thursday, you see me, November. She said, guest complaint for me, say, last week, Saturday, you see me? Me a carry bus company, hotel. Boom, I carry them tourists off a property. Them say again, Thursday again, guest complain again, you see me? And them hotel they have the Juta tour youth them. Man them will license to carry the tourists. Every day we are go to work, them same set of man they go so boom and I give with them card where they are the hotel, you see me? Where if tourists go so boom and them want to do anything, tours, whatever, we can link them. Or we can give them the card, which are that we do, you see me? So Thursday now, my manager, as well them say, because them are no manager for me or to me, you see me?
Awesome.
Because
same with me.
The way how them deal with we, you see me, as youth we work in our system, it's like we is like nothing, you see me? So without my manager come to me and try ask me what go on or yo, me get this report. She called me in a meeting and say, yo, watch her. Me guess say this, guess say that, and hotel protect them guests, and she don't have no other choice but to terminate my contract. And it is final. Them never hear my side of the story, you see me? Them just run with what the guests say. So that means yo, we as the staff, them not defend we. It's like them believe the guests over we. Anything the guests them see or whatever, but them people that when we work with now, not just them, the whole tourism thing, we as lifeguard, them not to rate we are. Them look upon we as hustlers, drugs dealer, and rummed, you see me? And we as lifeguard in the system, we are one of the most important work or set of workers in the thing because we deal with life and all of them things, you see me? We make sure say yo, them gets good. And also we make sure say yo, not just guests but staff, you see me? So we responsible for the safety part of the thing, you see me? But to the system, we is like some little dirty boy, dirty foot boy and some shots and all of them things there, you see me? But my manager them know, you see me? Them fuck up. Because them never get my side of the story. Boom, guess say this or guess say that. So long time them not like me, you see me, because me is not the friendly type where the boss thing or sit down and chat people business with them and all of them thing there, you see me. So to me it's like long time them did want to get rid of me because it's them do me friends so, and I'm not just my friend alone. A whole heap of other workers me see. You understand? Them do so over the years. You see me? It's like we is like nothing there. You understand? Me used in a 2016 me get fired also because I guess claim to say yo this or what them run with it. You see me? 2014 again. One similar situation, you see me?
Wow, you're bad lucky, sir.
And
oh, no.
It's like say yo, we no count. You understand? Because the way how them deal with we, you understand? It is just what the guests say. But my co-worker them a call me, everybody a text me and say yo, what me, you see me? So me just want everybody to know what go on in the hotel in the industry, you see me, the tourism thing, yeah. You see me? We don't have no rights as workers. So what is the government or Ministry of Labour doing for we as the youth? You see me? It's like say yo, them sell we out to the Spanish them. You see me? Because the tourism thing are the Spanish them run it. You understand? Woman a go for maternity leave. You understand? And them a work with the companies, some companies, you understand? Me a talk of experience or things when me know, you see me, somebody close to me was working as a supervisor in a very, very big hotel, you understand? She pregnant when she go for maternity leave, not even a red cent, you see me? So, me want to know who made them a liar. Is it the government or the tourism ministry or is the system of them own law? You understand? Because the hotel worker them is like the system of them as like nothing, they no value we. You see me? Without we, tourism industry is nothing, you understand? Because the tourists them come here, them not just come here for lay upon beach or for nice resort or whatever. Them come here for the people, you understand? Them like we because we friendly, we deal with them nice and we can tell them about this or that they tour there and you understand? At this or there, you see me? We go so boom. Me, I work on the beach for years in the motel thing. You understand? And some things when me go through or how me see the system deal with we and other youths over the years, you understand? It is so fuck up. You understand? Because them are people here terminate my contract without even ask me what go on. It's like say yo, this is what happened, this is final. It's like when me have to say yo, no make no fucking sense or me not even get to say nothing because them already make up their mind. My people them when we work with it is a system in the system, you understand? Because me work in a water sport which is a company in the hotel, you understand? But they don't give a fuck about we, you see me? Because it is okay for them short pay we, overwork we, and them pay we 3 weeks, 1 month after pay day. You understand? And them go around with them, style with them, pay with them. Them deal with you like say, yo, we don't have no family, we don't have no bills to pay and all of them things. Which me is a single father. Me have 2 daughters. You understand? The first one single father with she. The second one, mama is still around. You understand? Because she did it. You understand? But It fuck up to see how the people them deal with me, and me is one of everywhere me go. Me is one of the most hard working worker, me is one of the most outstanding worker, and me go to work and me make sure say yo, me deal with every fucking guest. But guess what? Me just want the people them who are working at the hotel thing know say yo, you see them, some of them fucking tourists here, you understand? They have to be careful of them. You see me? The tourism industry is very, very good for Jamaica, but you have some tourists, you probably have 80% of people will come here to enjoy themselves, meet some people, have a good time and thing. Then I have some fucking tourists who come here to try to set up, the work of them, for them lose them work, and me see that hundreds of times well per man, cause the hotel them have them shoppers and them thing where them work with, where them send to come talk to certain people, you understand, to try to get what you do or what you do, you understand. Me not say me right all the time in my situations, you understand, but at them thing you go on. You see me? Me right now, me jobless, me can't go and make my liquor off of my dub plate them and thing, because me is a dancehall artist, you understand. But my brother and my sister them will left in this a tourism thing, yeah. Me have to make them know what go on, you understand. The fucking tourists them come, them deal with you nice, them give you the fucking plastic smile, you understand, and them try to find out this and find out that when them a cut your fucking throat. You see me? And I have been in this situation over and over, you understand, because even this fucking last job where me have, to me it was hell, you understand. It's the worst fucking job where me have. Stress me, drain me energy, me the one run whole heap of blood clot over a worker, whole heap of dirty mind people, and people when not like me because me I do my music and all of them thing there, and them see my little thing I go on, and enough of the fuck of them grudge me for that. You understand? And them fucker you want to claim to say yo, hotel operation manager make decision for rare.
Well, that's it, you know. He makes some valid point. He makes some point where I true in a way, you see me, because I say the labor force system of Jamaica, it kind of set up a way where me feel like it don't defend Jamaicans, hard-working Jamaicans. I give you one scenario, you see me? I'm not going to call the company name right now just because the person where it happened to beg me, because from a long time it happened up in the ear. But not necessarily up in the ear. It happened in August. You see me? And the person beg me and say, yo, Chaddy. No, me I say, yo, what you mean, man? Them thing of people for know, and she say, yo, love it. So, I'm go in this story, you see me? So this girl, I work at one prominent loan agency. You see me? Now I call the name still. And it's like she got some booms and bag of things going on with her within that month, a particular month there, you see me? And our baby father did end up dead and bag of things going on. You see it? And she got some booms and some mix up going within that same time frame at the workplace, you see me? Some mix up, me not really 100% know. And you know, say the people them, I go tell her the next month, say, yo, you see, because some mix up go on, we not give no pay. Like at the end of the month, you know, when she forget pay, like in September, you know, she forget pay like what, the last Friday in September. Them people say them a pay you the last day. So anytime you can get paid up to the last day. So it no matter if I'm a weekend or whatever. A matter of fact, all in the first day in our next month them pay. I saw them deal with things. You see me? And the people them tell her about the 26 or so. Say she not go get paid because of some miss up we go on. Which technically I never necessarily fear her fault, but we now go in another part there. And just for your point of information, it's not like say yo the company did earn any loss, because it's not like say she did thief no money. You see me? It's not like say she miss up no money. It's not like it is a thing where she are working and where she give somebody wrong change or wrong nothing for deal with she miss up money, or she giving direct loss to the company. You see me? And the people them say, yo, you know what, we are going to discipline you. So here what we just now go pay you. Them never say, yo, alright then, me I go give you suspension. You see me? Make you get like 2 week suspension without pay and sit down at your house. And you know, say, yo, alright then, me I sit down on my yard and now get no pay. Just when she forget pay, you know, the people them want to tell her, say, yo, you? No pay for you. Me not give you no pay because I will go on X, Y, and Z. They not even inform her earlier on. And it's not for the following month. She now will get paid for. Or the month where she work already, put in sweat and blood and tears and everything and work that month there. And then them all look upon her and tell her, say, yo, I just, she remember, say, only one parent or child have. Yo, so when me get, me understand what the brother say. You see me, Jamaica labor force. Me feel like me no know, but something need for go on with it, and that is why we have so much people that migrate. You see me, and I got foreign, cause not really they are Jamaica. But anyway, that's my point of view. Tell me what you think about in the comment section below, and tell me you feel like a real talk make, or you feel like he's just a troublemaker. Jano, me never know, but tell me what you think in the comment section, you see it? And tell me if you don't like the look of the channel, you see me? If you don't like the look, that's something, or me not bother do it again. Me no know. Tell me what you think. It's a boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Alright, I know I'm gone. Is it?